You are the only one who can do the work to make your dreams come true. But the people you surround yourself have the power to positively and negatively affect your mindset, your choices, and your habits. The big problem is that most of the people don't know the type of people they need to hang with to become successful in life. Maybe you already have those three or four or five people, but still, if you haven't met them yet, it might take a while to meet them and to grow this relationship. In today's video, I'm going to make your life easy. I'm going to share you the 5 type of people you need in your life to become successful. Hi, my name is Amol Karale. I'm a morning ritual miracle and law of attraction specialist, and till date I've trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. Now let's start with the first type. I want you should make a lot of notes, and I'll be referring my notes so I don't miss any of the points. Make a lot of notes. It's very important, and you can identify your top 5 friends who can help you to become successful. Number 1, the cheerleader. What is the cheerleader? Someone who encourages you. It is someone who is a reliable source of encouragement. When I started my transformation journey, I had one of my friend who would always encourage me. They are one of your biggest fan. They always inspire you. And if you are looking for positivity in your life, you can always count on them. They are always on your side, and they pick you up, they motivate you, they inspire you, they encourage you whenever you are feeling down. So that's the number 1, the cheerleader, someone who encourages you. Number 2, the safe space. What is a safe space? As the word says, someone who protects you. Now, these are the people you are 100% comfortable and you can always be yourself around. Like in my case, my wife she always protected me. They will make you laugh and they will remind you not to take your life so seriously. They're always there to listen. They're always a good listener. When you're going through some problem, some struggle, and if you want to share with them, they'll always listen and they will always inspire you that don't take your life so seriously. So they're safe space. Someone who always protects you. Number 3, the motivator. Someone who inspires you. Now, I had one of my colleague who will always motivate me. He was someone who was ahead of me, but they're always available. They'll always be available whenever you want their help and whenever you want their advice or whenever you need their advice. They're inspiring to you because they show you what's possible, what you can do more. They always inspire you to do big things. They always motivate you to dream big. So there's a third one, the motivator who inspires you. 4th, the challenger, someone who questions you. These are the some people who are not afraid to criticize you, to give that feedback. They might be a polar opposite. They are a total opposite personality, and which is great thing to have because they will share their perspective, they will share their view, and they want to help you. So it's always good to have some people who always question you. Their advice might be uncomfortably. You will not be honest when they give some advice, but please understand the reason they are giving advice because they care for you and they are committed for your success and they don't want to criticize you. They want that you should become successful. Hence, they ask you a lot of questions and they criticize you. Number 5th, the coach, someone who pushes you. This is someone who gets out of your comfort zone and always they try to encourage you to try new things. They might be a friend you will not invite them whenever you want to party, but these are the first people who you will call them whenever you are stuck. You will dial their number whenever you have lost your path, whenever you need a roadmap. So for me, my coach as already was was a person who always pushed me, and whenever I was stuck, he has always helped me. So these are the 5 people, 5 friends you should have in your life. Now just think about it. As I was telling you about this, who are the 5 people who popped up into your mind? Let me recap. The cheerleader, someone who encourages you. The safe space, someone who protects you. The motivator, someone who inspires you. The challenger, someone who questions you. And the last is the coach, someone who pushes you. These are the 5 type of people you need in your life. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel because I'm on a mission to transform millions of lives to helping them to become the best version of themselves in all their 5 key areas of life. See you in my next video.